Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. Today is grade 5 math and we'll be looking at formal algorithm multiplication, multiplying 3-digit by 2-digit numbers. Just hang on there while I admit my student to the class for today. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to this channel for updates on a future video. Thank you. So this is the solution to the work you were given the other time. That was yesterday. Okay, let's quickly look at it together and see if all of the answers are intact. So for number one, let's see. For number one, we have 868 times 62. 2 times 8 is what?
No, 16.
You keep 1. 2 times 6, 12 plus 1, 13. You keep 1. 2 times 8 again, 16 plus 1, 17. So this 1 is not existing again. Then to continue, 6 times 8 is what?
No, 8, 16, 24, 30, 40, 48, 56.
48.
56. No,
48.
48. Okay, 48.
So, yeah, 6 times 6 is 36 plus 4. That's 40. You still put. Then 6 times 8 again, 48 plus 4. 48 plus 4 is what?
52.
52. So, we now add up these two layers together. So, that's a 0 here. So, we have 6, we have 11, we have 8, we have 3, and we have 5. That's 53,816. So, if I check your work, 53, it looks like it, but like I said, it's not clear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Then so this one has to go away first. So the second one, number 2, we have 995 times 55. So 5 times 5, 25, you keep 2. 5 times 9, 45 plus 2, 47. You keep
Mm.
4. 5 times 9 again, 45 plus 4. That's 49. Then 5 times 5 again, you literally get the same answer. So 5, then 7, then 9, then 4. So this is 0 here. So this is 5, this is 12, this is 16 plus 1. That's 17, you keep 1. Then this is 13 plus 1, that's 14, keep 1. Then this makes this 5. So that's 54, 725. You didn't get this one. Okay.
Okay.
That is, let me confirm to see that I did not make any mistake. I want to share the calculator with you. So 995 times 55, 995 times 55, on this 54,725. So can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just used that to confirm your method. Okay, so this also goes away. And we have 3. 329 and 17. What is 7 times 9?
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 63.
7 times 2, 14 plus 6 is 20. So 7 times 3 is 21 plus 2, that's 23. Then 1 times 9, 1 times 2, and 1 times 3. So we add them together. We have, this is 0, so this is 3, this is 9, this is 5, and this is also 5. So this is 55, 93. You got that one. Then let's see, number 4, we have 749 times 11. So we have 9, 4, and 7. Then 9, 4, and 7. Then there's 0 here. So we add them together again. 9, you get 13. 11, that's 12. Then 8, 2, 3, 9. So we have 8, 2, 3, 9. That's correct there. Then number 5, we have 188 times 3, 1. So we have 8, 8, 1. Then 3 times 8 is 24. You keep 2. 3 times 8 again, 24 plus 2, that's 26. You keep 2. Then 3 times 1, then plus 2. So you have this to be 8. This is 12. This is also 8. So the answer is 5, 8, 2, 8. That's also correct. Hold on, we'll continue shortly, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just hold on there. All right, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, so continue with the work right away. Um, okay, number 6. Okay, that's better. So we have 671 times 51. 671 times 51. I'm gonna ask you a question. Okay, 1 times 1, 1 times 7, 1 times 6, 5 times 1. Do you know why, if I multiply this 5 and 1, do you know why I don't write it here?
Why?
Okay. The reason is because this is 100 tens and units, okay?
Okay.
You know the 5 is under tens, right?
Yeah.
And it's a 50, okay? Okay.
Okay.
So 50 times 1 is 50, yes or no?
Yes.
So that's why it's going to be 50.
Okay.
But instead of having to confuse yourself, just say, since it's under tens, so 5 times 1, that's 5 under tens, okay? So at the end, you end up putting 0 here. Exactly.
Yes.
Now 5 times 7, that's 35. So put 3. And 5 times 6 is 30 plus 3. That is 33. So we now had a 1. This is 12. This is 11, making 12 again. This is 4, and this is 3. So that's 34, 2, 2, 1. You know, when you're adding numbers, 2, let's assume you have tens and units, okay? And you want to add 36 plus 47. You know that 6 plus 7 is 13, right?
Yeah.
If you put 13 down, there's a tens and there's a unit, yes or no?
Yes.
The unit comes under here straight, while the tens go and wait with the tens. Exactly.
Yes.
So that's when you say, okay, you now add the tens to the solution of the tens here. That's 7 plus the 1, making 8. So those are some basic principles there. And we also use that in other other additions too, like when you're adding hour and minute, okay? If you
Mm.
have 3 hours and 40 minutes and you're adding with 1 hour and 28 minutes, so what you're gonna do is to add this, right? You get 68 minutes, but because 68 minutes is into hour and minute, okay?
Okay.
1 hour, 8 minutes. So the 8 minutes come here, then the 1 hour goes here. So this becomes 5 hours, 8 minutes. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So let's continue. 34 to 2. Whenever I check that number 6, let's see. 34 to 2, that's correct. Then for number 7, we have 317 times 86. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 1, 6 plus 4, that's 10.
Mm.
Then 6 times 3 is what? 18 plus 1, that's what? 19. So 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 1, 8 plus 5, that's 13. Then 8 times 3, 24 plus 1, 25. Then you add them together. So you have 2. Then you have 6. And this is 12. This becomes 7. That's 27 to 6, 2. Yeah, that one is also correct. Okay, let's see. Number 8. We have 807 times 54. 4 times 7 is what?
7, 14, 21, 20, 28.
Yeah, 4 times 0, 0, then plus 2. And 4 times 8 is 32. So 5 times 7, 35, keep 3. 5 times 0, then you add 3. And 5 times 8 is 40. So you add them together. Then you have, this is 8, 7, 5, 3, and 4. That is 43, 578. 43, 578. Yeah. What did you get in that number 8?
I got 43,598.
598. Let me see. Maybe I made a mistake somewhere. Let's check it. 598, 578. 807 times 54, right? So it's 43, 578. Okay. Exactly. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. 378 times 70. So 378 times 70. Okay, here we have 0 times all of them, okay, so 0. And 7 times 8 is what? 56. 7 times 7, 49 plus 5. What's 49 plus 5? What's 49 plus 5?
Uh, that's 54.
So I write 4, I still keep 5. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 5, that's 26. So I add them together. Then I'm going to have, this is 0, 6, then this is 4, this is 6, and this is 2. That is 26,460. 26,000. You missed that one too. You got 320 or something. So it's only 3 you missed out of the 9. So I can say that you have 6 out of 9. So that's number 2, number 8, and 9. Okay. Exactly. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Hey.
Okay. So those are the corrections. Number 2, number 8, and number 9. You're going to write them down. But before you do the correction, let's quickly look at something here. We're going to look at these questions up here. This the classwork. So I'm going to move it to the next page and see. We look at one together, then you solve the remaining one. So let's work. Number 1 says the cost of a chair is this amount. Find the cost of 2035 chairs. This is a long work for you. So look at it. That is 980.50 times 2035, okay?
Okay.
But then I'll prefer to move this to the bottom because of, so I just move it to the bottom. Then I write the longer digits, which is 2035, then this is going to be 0.00. So why I said it's going to be a long walk, you need to really be careful in the process, okay?
Okay.
Now, here's what we have. 0 times all of them is going to give me ultimate zeros there. So, and 5 times 0, 5 times 0, 5 times 5, you get 2 there. 5 times 3 is what? 15 plus 2, that's 17. You get 1 there. 5 times 0, 0, then 1. And 5 times 2 finally gives me 10. So remaining 3 digits, okay? Then 0
Okay.
times all of them give me 1, 2, 3, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 4, 5, 6. That is 0 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. I put it there. Then 8 times 0 is directly under the 8. So that's 0. 8 times the second 0. Then 8 times 5 is 40 and keep 4. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 4, that's 28. I keep 2. Then 8 times 0 is 0. Then you add the 2. Then 8 times 2 is 16. Then we have a last digit, which is 9, okay?
Okay.
So directly under the 9, you can start. Where is 9? 3 digits here, 3 digits. So it should come directly under here. So 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0. Then 9 times 5 is 45. Make it 4. 9 times 3 is what? 28 plus 4, 32. I keep 3. Then 9 times 0 gives me 0. Then I have 3. And 9 times 2 finally gives me 18. So you can see the long list. So there are some empty spaces there. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, while this is 4. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to add this together. So I got 0, got 0, I got 0, then I got 5. Then this one 7 all the way down, this one 1 all the way down. This is 13, you keep 1. And this is 5 plus that one, making 6. And this is 9, while this is also 9, and this is 1. So there are 4 decimals here. Then you count 4 digits from the back. So your point is going to be here. So our answer is going to be 1996317.5. Okay?
Okay.
Because we're not going to be needing these zeros. So let me just check what we've gotten on the calculator. That is 2035 times 980.5. So that is 199. Wait, there is a kind of disparity there. I need to check that again. Okay, I
Okay.
got 1996317. Then this shows 1995317.5. So let's see. 1996. How did I get 6 here? This is 13. You should have 1 that is left. And this 1, this is 5 plus the 1 should give us 6. Or maybe maybe I didn't press the right figure there. 2035 times 980.5. Okay, let me quickly go over the multiplication or maybe the arrangement. So if I trace it down, this goes here, this goes here, this goes here, this here,
Well, can I go get a drink?
Yeah, let me finish this. Once I finish this, so this goes here, and this, and this, and this. So definitely they are all intact. So what could have gone wrong there? This is 7, this is 1, this is 3. We have no issues with this 3. Okay, that's 13. 8 plus 5 is what?
So
13,
13.
right? So I have to write
Yeah.
it 3. I keep 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 2, that's 5, right?
Yeah.
Then plus the 1 I brought over, that's 6. Then this is, okay, go get your drink and come back.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, we're going to continue shortly. I need to confirm this very well. So, been able to find the error in the disparity in the answers. I put a 2 here instead of a 1. And how did that come about? That was 9 times these 2 zeros gave us these 2 zeros. And 9 times 5 gives us 45. We keep 4 somewhere. And 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 4, that's 31, not 32. So I gotta put 1 there. Then we keep 3. And 9 times 0 is 0. You put the 3 down here. Then 9 times 2 is 18. Then when you add together 8 plus 5 is 13. You keep 1. Then this is 4. Then plus the 1 that you kept, that's 5. And that's what caused that. Okay, we're going to continue shortly because I've asked my student to do this as classwork. Then we're going to look at it together. Thank you. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on a future video. We'll continue shortly. So you can see the work you submitted, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the second one says a tire factory produces 6348 tires a day. How many tires will the factory produce in 460 days? So we just have to multiply 6348 by 460. So 6348 times 460. So this gives me 2,920,000, then 80. 2,920,080. So let me see what you've written there. Okay, that's correct. Let me mark it up. Then the second question says that the cost of a flat in is $4,218,000. If there are 36 similar flats in a building, how much money will be collected by selling all the flats? So that is 421,8000. Oh, not 4 million. Yeah, it's 4 million. 4,218,000. So 421,8000 times 36. So I'm going to say 4,218,000 times 36. Okay. That'd be 151,848,000. 151,848,000. Okay, that's also correct. But one thing I observed is that, okay, I think I can see it's okay. I wanted to talk about the layers of multiplication, but I've seen that you observed it. So hold on there. I'm going to send your homework over, then your sister is going to come over, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just hold on. So viewers, thanks for watching this. You can subscribe to this channel for updates in the future.